Planning a trip to Bulgaria? If you need a Schengen visa, the application process can seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we talk about the required documents to appointment booking and processing times for Bulgaria Schengen visas.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
Bulgaria is a fascinating country with a rich history and diverse landscapes, making it an increasingly popular tourist destination. It is located in Southeast Europe, in the eastern region of the Balkan Peninsula. It borders Romania to the north, Serbia and North Macedonia to the west, Greece and Turkey to the south, and the Black Sea to the east. As of January 1, 2025, Bulgaria has officially joined the Schengen area. This means that travelers from outside the Schengen zone may now need a Bulgarian Schengen visa, depending on their nationality, the purpose of their visit, and the length of their stay. With its Schengen accession, border controls with other Schengen countries have been removed, allowing for hassle-free travel. To enter Bulgaria, travelers need a Schengen visa if their home country is not part of the EU or has not signed a visa waiver agreement with the EU. Citizens of the EU, EA, and Schengen area countries can travel to Bulgaria without a visa. Check our blog post for the full list of citizens who need a Schengen visa to Bulgaria. Keep in mind that this list may change due to updated regulations or specific bilateral agreements between countries and Schengen member states. To avoid any surprises, it's always best to check with your country's consulate or embassy for the most up-to-date travel requirements before making your plans. Applying for a Schengen visa requires careful attention to detail, as mistakes on visa category can lead to visa rejections or denials. Bulgaria issues three main types of visas, each serving a specific purpose. Airport Transit Visa, Type A. It allows travelers to pass through the international transit zone of a Bulgarian airport while en route to another destination. It is limited to the transit period. The traveler cannot leave the airport. Short Stay Schengen Visa, Type C, for transit or planned stay. It is issued for short-term visits, including tourism, business, family visits, cultural exchanges, or medical treatment. The visa is for a maximum of 90 days within a 6-month period from the first entry. It also allows up to 3 transit passages, each lasting 2 days, within a 12-month validity period. Long Stay Visa, Type D. It allows foreigners to stay in Bulgaria for an extended period for work, study, family reunification, or investment purposes. The visa is for up to 6 months, 180 days, for general long-term stays, or up to 12 months, 360 days, for students, researchers, and foreign employees on assignment. Applicant must at least meet the following criteria in order to be eligible to submit a Bulgaria visa application: holding a valid travel document and a valid UK residence permit. In case an applicant holds a short-stay visa for the UK, a C-type visa, then applicant needs to apply for a visa from his or her residence country. Applying for a short-term visa to Bulgaria, for tourism, private visit, business, study/conference/seminar, EE/EU and Swiss national family member, or for other short-stay purposes. UK residents who need a Schengen visa to Bulgaria have to submit their application via VFS Global in London, Manchester, or Edinburgh. Applicants including children or infants have to submit his or her visa application in person and by appointment only, which needs to be booked online. A visa will only be issued to applicants whose passport or travel document is valid for at least 3 months beyond the end of their intended stay in Bulgaria and contains at least 2 blank pages. The correct visa category should be selected when booking an appointment online. If you need assistance with your Schengen visa application, contact EARM. The following is a general list of required documents, but additional information may be requested by the Bulgarian mission if necessary. All documents must be recently issued, within the last 1 month. Original documents must be presented, but applicants only need to submit photocopies unless otherwise specified. You need to prepare the visa application form and photograph. Valid passport. UK Immigration Share Code. Proof of employment or student status. Proof of sufficient funds. Proof of travel and transportation. And proof of accommodation. You may also need additional requirements for minors. Declaration of consent signed by both parents. Original and copy of both parents' passports. If one parent is absent, a power of attorney or court order proving custody must be provided. And original and copy of the child's birth certificate, along with a certified translation if necessary. Applicants can submit their visa applications up to 6 months before their departure date. The minimum processing time is 15 calendar days, but delays may occur as each application must be cleared by the Bulgarian Foreign Ministry in Sofia. Submitting an application less than 15 days before travel does not guarantee timely processing. For applications submitted at VFS satellite centres in Manchester or Edinburgh, an additional 2 days should be factored in, as these applications are first sent to VFS London before being forwarded to the Bulgarian mission. Additionally, the mission may request extra documents or schedule an interview, which could further extend processing times. Applicants should plan accordingly. The Schengen Visa Fee for Bulgaria varies, based on the applicant's age and visa type. Since visa fees are non-refundable, applicants should ensure their documents are complete and accurate before submission. For tourist, business, family visit, and other short-stay purposes, the visa fee is €90. After submitting your application, you will receive an email update when the decision has been made, and your passport has been returned to the Bulgaria Visa Application Center. You can pick up your passport from the Bulgaria Visa Application Center, or have your passport returned by courier for an additional fee. When do you plan to visit Bulgaria? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.